Hi everyone, this is me Simplako and let's talk about Sea-Based LDR episode 3. So one thing I've learned from loving a seafarer is that people usually see the destinations but they don't always see the sacrifices behind every voyage. So from what I've seen through my husband's journey, hindi madali ang buhay sa barko. So months silang malayo sa pamilya nila and marami silang nami-miss na mga events like birthdays, anniversaries, family gatherings, and even yung mga simpleng moments na sabay lang kayong kakain at manonood ng mga movie. Mahaba ang working hours nila at may mga araw na pagod na sila physically and mentally. May mga pagkakataon din na mahinang signal o walang internet kaya hindi sila nakakapag-message o makatawag. At hindi ibig sabihin nun na kalimutan ka na nila. Minsan, ang kailangan lang talaga nila is konting understanding at konting grace. Isa rin sa pinakamahirap na reality ng pagiging seaman ay kapag may emergency or importanteng pangyayari sa pamilya ay hindi sila basta-basta makakauwi. Kaya tuwing may chance kaming mag-usap, I try to make it a safe space for him. Kaya mas gusto kong kamustahin siya, tanungin kung kumain na ba siya, at iparamdam sa kanya na may tahanang naghihintay sa kanya. Because behind every photo for a different country, there is someone who's working hard, carrying responsibilities, and making sacrifices for the people they love. And that is something I will always admire about my husband. And if there's one thing this journey has taught me is before we admire the places a seafarer gets to visit, let's also remember the sacrifices they make to get there. Sometimes the greatest gift we can give them isn't a perfect conversation. It's our understanding, our patience, and the reassurance that home will always be there waiting for them.